Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Alright, let's start. First thing we have to do is to open our YouTube application. Tap that plus button, then go live. And then tap the mobile phone icon. Tap the plus sign to choose the game title. In the search bar, type the title of the game that you're going to play. Then suggestions will come out. And then scroll down or up to choose the title of the game that you are going to play. Set the privacy if you want it public or unlisted. Choose the audience if it's for kids or not for kids. And then scroll down to more options. Tap the more options. If you want to schedule, make it schedule for later. Then choose the date and the time. And then you can continue advanced settings. For the chat, you can allow chat during the stream and then enable monetization, of course. Double check the information, the time and everything, and edit if needed. And then tap the next button. Here you can see orientation, and then there's a question mark, help button. You can check if you want to learn more information. Tap the question mark. And on this part, this article will come, and you can read the things that are here to help you understand more the step-by-step process on how to go live on mobile phone. Choose the orientation, landscape or portrait, tap next, and get it if you've already read the tips. And then start now to go live. And you're live. You are live, and you can turn on or turn off the camera. Just click the camera icon or tap the camera icon. Tap the setting for more options. Here you can enlarge or change the size of the camera or your thumbnail. And now start playing your game. And by the way, you can drag your photo or your profile photo anywhere on the screen that's convenient to you. So that you'll be able to see the chat in the live stream of your live stream. Tap that chat icon and the chat will be seen on your screen. Alternatively, you can reply. You can go to your YouTube application and then open your live stream and answer in your chat box. To end the live stream, you tap the icon or your profile photo. Tap that X. Tap OK, or if you change your mind, tap Cancel. You can pause the stream. Just click that pause button. So if you already want to resume the play or the live stream, you just tap that button. Just tap the X and OK to end the stream. And then the stats of the live stream will be shown here. Just tap Done. Video is now processing. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.